Roof inspections, important and fast. Roofs are important. They are the first line of defense for our homes and buildings, shielding us from the elements and ensuring our safety and comfort. Without a well-maintained roof, the integrity of the entire structure can be compromised. They protect us from the rain and sun. Whether it's a torrential downpour or the blazing heat of the sun, our roofs bear the brunt of nature's forces. Over time, this constant exposure can lead to wear and tear, making regular inspections crucial. We need to check them for problems. This keeps people safe. Identifying issues early, such as damaged shingles or leaks, can prevent more significant problems down the line, saving homeowners from costly repairs and potential hazards. Traditional roof inspections can be slow. Inspectors have to climb ladders and walk across potentially unstable surfaces, which not only takes time but also poses significant risks. They can also be dangerous. Inspectors climb on roofs. They look for damage. The process requires meticulous attention to detail, and even with safety harnesses, the risk of accidents is ever present. This takes a lot of time. Each inspection can take hours, from setting up safety equipment to thoroughly examining every inch of the roof and documenting findings. AI is changing how we inspect roofs. With advancements in technology, drones equipped with high-resolution cameras and AI software are revolutionizing the inspection process. AI uses computers and cameras. These tools can capture detailed images and analyze them in real time, identifying potential issues with remarkable accuracy. It can find problems quickly. The AI can highlight areas of concern, generating comprehensive reports in a fraction of the time it would take a human inspector. This makes inspections faster and safer. By reducing the need for inspectors to physically climb onto roofs, we minimize risks and enhance efficiency, ensuring that roofs remain in top condition with minimal disruption.
AI roof inspections are incredibly fast, revolutionizing the way we maintain our homes. A drone equipped with a high-resolution camera flies over the roof, capturing detailed images from every angle. These images are then fed into an advanced AI system that meticulously analyzes each one. In just 3 minutes, the AI can identify potential issues, a task that would take a human inspector much longer. The AI has been trained on a vast data set of roof images, learning to recognize various types of damage. Through machine learning, it understands what damage looks like, from minor wear and tear to significant structural issues. For instance, it can easily spot missing shingles, which are often the first sign of roof deterioration. It can also detect leaks and cracks that might not be visible to the naked eye, ensuring